Hi, I'm John, and this is my partner Dave. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Each weekday morning, we'll take you through how to solve common household issues. Today, we are on location in my mom's kitchen. As you can see, she's low on counter space, so we're going to replace her hood with a Whirlpool 30-inch above-range microwave. It would be counterproductive for us to waste a bunch of time talking about it, so we're gonna get to it. First, we'll measure to make sure that our microwave will fit. We need 30 inches of height from the top of our stove to the bottom of our cabinet, 30 inches across, and between 12 and 14 inches of depth. Next, to be safe, we'll unplug the range hood. Next, we'll remove the screws holding the hood in place. Next, we'll remove the hood by allowing it to go straight down. Careful not to scratch your cabinets. This particular model has 3 ventilation options: recirculation, roof, or wall. My mom doesn't want me cutting holes in her wall, so we're going to use the recirculation option. You can use one of the others if you want. The manufacturer suggests that you find 2 studs. Once you locate your stud, mark it, and draw a vertical plumb line at least 18 inches from the bottom of your cabinet. Then do the same for the second stud. Next, we'll find our center line, mark it, and draw a vertical plumb line. We'll measure the height of the microwave. Then mark that distance on our 2 stud lines. We'll place the bracket on our marks. We'll align the bottom of our bracket with our 2 marks and the center line with the 2 arrows. Then mark the holes closest to our stud. We'll also mark the 2 outermost holes. Next, we'll pre-drill the holes with a 3/16 drill bit on the studs. For the 2 outermost holes, we'll use a 5/8 drill bit to allow for the spring toggle nuts. At this point, you might have found a template in the box that could have made this whole thing a lot easier, but that's okay. With the spring toggle nuts and bolts attached to the bracket, we'll push the bracket into place. Next, with the anchors in place, we'll screw them in by hand. We'll finish attaching the bracket by driving the lag bolts into our stud. Using a small amount of tape, affix the template to the bottom side of your cabinet. Use a 1.5-inch hole saw to start the hole for the power cord. With a 3/8" drill bit, we'll drill a hole for the bolts that will hold the microwave in place. Next, we'll remove our template so that we can finish the pilot hole with our hole saw. Now we're ready to put our microwave in place, but first we'll thread the power cord up through our hole. Next, we'll put the rear bottom of the microwave onto the bracket and tip up into place. Then we'll secure with the top bolts. Finally, we'll plug in the new microwave and remove the protective film. Now that we have the microwave up off the counter, my mom has a lot of space. Look at all that counter space. Thanks for joining us.
Hi guys. I got you these gifts.
Oh wow. Thanks, Mom. Happy holidays. See you next time on Get to It.
Get to It.